Okay, good morning everyone. I'm Maulana. Today I'm going to tell about why should we read a lot. I have I have divided to my topic for the three parts. Let me illustrate all of my topic. Firstly, is talking about the reason why should we a lot why should we read a lot, and secondly is talking about cultures read study in Indonesian. Finally is talking about my conclusion. Okay, firstly was a saying once said, knowledge is the power, or just by read you can see the word, the books is the key. In fact, human being are the creator of that a build culture. Therefore, we must have a lot of knowledge to something. And so where we do get knowledge if you don't read? Best if best of student of the most literate nation in the world. Connection by Central Connection Connection Uni- Connection State University in March 2000 2016. Indonesia has only reached 0.01% in 1 year. After that, we can comparing our culture rates with the progress of a country. And finally, I hope just by read you can able to improves your quality of life. That's all from me. Have a great day and thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.